Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to DM on Instagram. So firstly sign in your account and after that find out any profile where you want to DM. Like in my case I want to DM this guy. So click on this profile, then follow him. Now you will find option message, so click on it for DM. Now type your message, then click on send. So it's quick and very easy method to DM someone on Instagram. So hopefully friends you like this video. By this quick and very easy and simple video we can know how to DM on Instagram. Thanks for watching.